Happy birthday, Han. Happy golden years. Blow the candles and make a wish. Yes. Make a wish. Thank you, Lord. Love you, Han. Happy birthday, Han. Happy golden years. I love you. I'm happy that you're here in America. My days are complete here, like you're here in my birthday, Christmas, New Year, and now we're celebrating your golden years. I hope, I wish, and I pray for your good health, long life, promotion, and lasting relationship, our marriage, and our love for each other, and we'll be faithful forever. You have to make a wish. Happy birthday. Me ayo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Nawa na atong Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle, make a wish.
Thank you.
Blow sa una ko magpicture go video ba ni?
Blow.
Oh. Okay. Unsa imong ika salty sa imong golden birthday?
Long life, good health, and more years to come.
I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Okay. Oh, this one, include this one.
Ano ko din eh?
Mau gani. Happy golden years, honey. I wish you good health, long life, successful career in your job.
Aray. Naghana na ni.
Sige na, wala pa hapit na mahuman.
Aray, init. Puno mo sa taga.
Li, mahog. Kamaalag ka. What's your favorite? What's your fave? Is that your favorite?
Pwede ra ko mamahog inani kaparis ang kape.
Oh. We're going to the parking and my husband is shopping for perfume, Crocs, sandal. But the other one, the coach, it's for his sister-in-law. Then we also bought candies for the kids. So, napuno na ang mga candies. We're here in a candy store. Nahubog kasi pasang candy.